Hi guys, welcome to Foxy. This is Naima. Today I'm going to talk to you about a very fun, interesting topic which happens to be my favorite. I'm going to give you some tips about Holi on how you can take care of your skin and hair. A lot of people don't play Holi because they think that it's going to ruin their skin and hair, and this is a very, very big myth. I didn't play Holi for the longest time because I just was very fussy about the fact that, oh, the color's going to stay or it's going to mess my hair up. But it's actually my favorite festival, something I really look forward to. I'm going to tell you the things that I do and they really work for me, and you're going to try it this year and tell me whether it worked for you or no. So starting with skin. And of course, because Holi is usually played outdoors, the sun, so of course sunscreen is most important. Besides sunscreen, you need to find a proper oil-based moisturizer. You can even use oil like normal hair oil on your face, or like baby oil or whatever on your face and your hands. Basically the areas that are exposed. I'm assuming it's just going to be like hands and face and neck, of course. Neck is a very important part of skincare routine. So an oil-based moisturizer or any baby oil or anything should work. You of course need to apply lip balm because the lips also catch color. Another very important thing that you should do for hair is oil your hair. I know you must have heard this and people say that it doesn't work. And for the longest time, I thought it was the biggest myth. But believe me, oiling your hair just before you play Holi is very important. Like, I know now the colors are like very organic and all of that jazz, and they don't really stay. But sometimes in some places they do. Or like a particular dark color, like a dark purple or a dark blue or something, are colors that usually stay. I know that it also kind of gets into your teeth sometimes, but I don't know if there's much you can do for that. Just play Holi safely. But besides oil on your face, you need to use oil in your hair. You need to apply that oil from the scalp and tie your hair and play Holi. That is something that I discovered was actually very good, because you know there's water and people are mixing weird things in it and you're not sure about what's really going into it. Another very, very important thing, because of which a lot of people don't play Holi, is that the color gets into your nails. This is true. The color does, whether it stays on your face or in your hair, the color tends to get into your nails. So it's very simple. What you need to do is, you need to take a transparent nail polish, putting nail polish on your nails, which is like painting it with a transparent color onto the cuticles and a little outside your nail, because that kind of coats and covers the area outside your nail that does not allow the color to get in. Trust me, I have been doing this for years. I've been playing Holi for years. It's my favorite festival. You need to take care of your face and skin, and also you're going to be outdoor all day. You need to have that sunscreen. You need to have oil that you're using on your face and your hair. And remember, I'm giving you a tip. It's not like you can't play Holi with open hair. You can, but just to avoid weird things from getting into your hair, just kind of plait it or tie it into a pony or something like that. After you finish playing Holi, it's very important, after like you shower and freshen up and all that, it's very important. There might be a little color here and there, say maybe in your ears that got in or something, that you need to kind of clean out. You can use like a makeup remover. You can use a wet wipe that you've been using for very long. Moisturizer. It's very important after you finish playing, after everything is done and you've freshened up, washed your hair and everything, remember, condition your hair properly. Use a great hair serum after, because it's like you need to follow a good skin and hair care routine post you playing Holi, even though you've taken these precautions, because you've been in the sun all day, your skin is tired. You can even go for like a clean up or like a facial the next day, because that will kind of really remove all the dirt and stuff that is gotten, if not the color. Just remember these and do these step by step and you'll be great. I want to know if this video was informative, and that if you're going to try it this Holi, and let me know if it works, because I swear by this routine and it's definitely worked for me. Because there have been days where I have literally played Holi and say I'm shooting the next day, or I have a wedding to go the next day, and I'm obviously not going to be able to do it with all that color. So that's why these are the steps that I take, and they have worked for me. Also, one more thing, if you don't have, if you are not someone who wants to use oil and probably feel sticky on your face, you can even use Vaseline petroleum jelly. Basically anything that's super oily and that's like resistance towards the color. I hope this video was helpful and that you're going to try these tips and let me know how they worked for you. Do follow me on Instagram as Makeup and Hair by Maliha. Thank you for watching. Maliha loves.